Hi everyone. Today I will show you the process of upgrading the radio of Jeep Wrangler from 2007 to 2018. This is what it looks like before installation. Use a tool to pry open this button. Unplug the plug at the back. Remove the screws inside. Remove the storage box and unscrew the screws inside. Pry open this plastic barrier. Remove the screws inside. Be careful to pry open and remove this plastic shell. Remove these screws from the original car CD host. Take out the CD host and unplug the plug on it. Install the new host frame and tighten the screws. Reinstall the plastic casing and tighten the screws. Put this baffle back in place. Tighten this screw and put the storage box on top. Tighten this screw and reinstall the button. Connect GPS antenna. Connect the reverse line of sight. Connect the USB cable. Connect RCA cable. Connect the radio antenna. Connect to the CANBUS box. Connect the original call plug. Connect the 8-pin serial port cable. Connect to power. Install the new car engine and turn it on. Set the protocol first after booting up. Navigation function demonstration. Steering wheel button function demonstration. Support radio. Multiple themed UI options to choose from. Support video playback. DSP Sound Effect Function Demonstration. Car door information demonstration. Support CarPlay. CarPlay navigation demonstration. CarPlay music playback. CarPlay makes phone calls. New car engine details display. Now, the multifunctional car infotainment system has been upgraded. Thank you for watching.